Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Chevrolet Silverado 2014 to 2018? Wondering which fuse controls what in your truck? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Instrument panel fuse box, right side. The right side instrument panel fuse box in the 2014, 2015, and 2016 Chevrolet Silverado controls interior electrical components such as the infotainment system, power outlets, HVAC seats, airbags, and body control modules. The right side instrument panel fuse box in the 2017 and 2018 Chevrolet Silverado powers interior systems like the infotainment unit, USB ports, HVAC lighting, power seats, and body control modules. Instrument panel fuse box, left side. The left side instrument panel fuse box in the 2014, 2015, and 2016 Chevrolet Silverado controls functions such as lighting, power windows, door locks, mirror controls, and other driver-side electrical systems. The left side instrument panel fuse box in the 2017 and 2018 Chevrolet Silverado manages driver-side systems like power windows, mirrors, door locks, lighting, and various control modules. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2014, 2015, and 2016 Chevrolet Silverado controls major systems like the engine, transmission, ABS, cooling fans, fuel system, and other high-power components. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2017 to 2018 Chevrolet Silverado supports critical systems such as the engine, transmission, ABS, fuel pump, cooling fans, and other essential powertrain and chassis components.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.